So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your Pocket, and Google has released a new set of models for Gemma4, that is Gemma4 QAT models, that is faster AI for mobiles and laptops, unprecedented efficiency without compromising the quality. So they are specially designed for edge AI and a variant of Gemma4 which is way faster using the QAT technology. So in this short video, I'll be explaining you what is this, what improvements they have made, and how to use the model for free. The model weights are open source. And these variant of ZAT is available for all the variants of Gamma 4, be it 12B, be it E2B, E24, etc. 26B variant also. All of them has this ZAT model available. Introduction to Gamma 4 ZAT. Smaller models dramatically reduces memory footprint for local deployment by 70%. That huge. Faster inference, about 40% more speed. Accessible AI, about 10 plus platforms, and maintained quality. 95% of the results are almost similar compared to the original version. New quantization aware training has been done for these variants, that is QAT, designed to make powerful AI models smaller, faster, and easier to run on everyday hardware. What is quantization aware training? And now, first of all, we need to understand this. The core concept is to stimulate compression during training rather than after. So usually what happens in case of quantization, where you first of all train the model fully and then go on to reduce the memory size. Now here, you're training it in such a way that basically the weights are stored in such a way that the compression is happening before storing anything. So in post-training quantization, model is trained on full precision, compress weights after training. While in case of quantization aware training, simulate quantization during training itself. Model adapts to lower precision, deploy optimized model only. There is no conversion happening. Results in better performance and smaller quality degradation after compression compared to post-training quantization. SAT versus PTQ detailed comparison. So I think as mentioned earlier, post-training quantization, full training happens first of all, then the compression happens and then the deployment happens. While in case of quantization aware training, QAT training happens before. The training has happened in such a way that the model adapts for quantization, optimized and hence done. So post-training quantization is comparatively simpler process. No extra training is required. While in case there is a quality loss also, it has major quality loss once you're quantizing it after. While in case of quantization aware training, minimal quality loss happens, better adaptation, superior compression, higher accuracy is there. 30% quality improvement over post-training quantization. This is CAT, ZAT. The on-device AI advantage, better performance, better privacy, healthcare applications, reduced cost, zero API calls fees, no server maintenance, lower operational cost. 10 cross cost saving when you are doing it on-device AI, and 50 milliseconds average response time is there. This is less than 1 GB milestone. So Gemma 4 E2B is now less than 1 GB in memory footprint. That's the crazy part that ZAT integration has brought in. Specialized quantization, custom quantization format designed specially for mobile hardware. ZAT integration happens. Aggressive compression targeted for 2-bit precision. This is very high compression, and cached optimization also happen. So what happens? Talking about the memory comparison, a standard model that takes about 4 to 8 GBs after traditional post-training quantization takes 2 to 3 GBs, that is 50%. While in case of Gamma 4 E2B XAT, it takes less than 1 GB, that is a compression of about 70 to 80%. That's huge. Engineering optimizations part 1, static activations. Pre-computed scaling parameters for efficient inferencing. Eliminates runtime calculations for scaling parameters, reduces processor workload, and generates response faster on mobile chips. Calculated scaling is already happened. They already keep up the calculations ready, store it in the model, and fast inferencing happens. Channel-wise quantization, hardware-aligned compression model structure. So model channels, align hardware, and efficient processing. 25% less memory usage reduction. What are the other engineering optimizations? That is the part 2. 2-bit targeting. So the optimization, the quantization is happening for 2-bit precision. And optimized embedding and KV caching is also there. Performance is quality trade-off. So the quality retention is about 95% of the original model. Inference speed is 40% faster. Memory reduction is 70% faster. This is huge release. Comprehensive ecosystem support. It is supported by almost all the frameworks, be it Llama CP, Olama, VLM, MLX, LM Studio, Slang, etc. And what are the supported formats? GGF quantized, compressed tensors, unquantized checkpoints, and safe tensors format also. Target use cases and applications. I think mostly for mobile applications, offline AI assistants, edge AI deployments, consumer grade GPUs, and private on-device chatbots also. The getting started guideline, I think first of all you need to choose the framework, download the model, Gemma4 QAT checkpoint for whichever model variant you want to have it, install dependencies and configure your hardware. Conclusion, the future outlook. Key takeaways: dramatic memory reduction is there, a fast inference is there, universal comparison and quality preservation with a compression of about 70 to 80%. That is a huge boost. This is a very crucial release that everyone should focus upon, because right now a major focus is on towards SLMs, that is small language models. With this, it's a wrap. Just towards the end, let me show you the codes to run it. It's very easy, as you can see here. You first of all need to update your transformers. There is a model how to get it. So this is Gemma4 12B IT XAT Q40 unquantized. You will get this code from Hugging Face, and then you need to run this particular prompt. It's very easy. I'm not waiting for the response here. You can check it out yourself. With this, it's a wrap. I hope you try it out and you know more about Gemma 4 XAT model. Thank you so much.